Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to turn those long or slow clips into fast-paced videos? In this video, I will show the simplest way to speed up your iPhone videos, whether you want to time-lapse or trim down a lengthy clip. Let's go. Unfortunately, there's no option to speed up or slow down a video in the iPhone Photos app. However, if you want to speed up a video on your phone, you can do so in CapCut. You may need to download this app from the App Store if it is not installed on your iPhone. CapCut is a great choice due to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Now launch the app on your device. Tap the New Project button and import the video you want to speed up. Access the speed control by clicking on the video clip in the timeline to open the editing options. Look for the speed button and you'll typically find two options. The normal option allows you to set a fixed speed for the entire video. You can choose from various speed multipliers like 2x or even 100x. The curve options provide a more granular control, letting you adjust the speed at different points in the video. You can create speed ramps and slow motion effects. Preview your video with the adjusted speed and delete the outro. Once satisfied, export the video to save it. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.